All right, it showed up. This is cool. This is my Omo car refrigerator. It's 52 liters. This will be solar powered in my truck. So let's open this thing up. I'm excited. So long story short, this one over here worked great. I mean, one day I tilted it up on its side and it stopped working. So I got a hold of Amazon. I got a hold of that company. D-Sen is actually Shenzhen Corporation in China, and they also make this one. They basically make all of them. They're all the same. They all use a German compressor, 12 volts and 120. You can also run it off of 24 volts. But here we go. I've never seen this before. I'm just being extra careful because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't think there's anything else in the box. So, what do we have here? Check it out. Atomo. It's got 12, 24 volts. Got a touch screen. Nice handle. Nice chrome finish. That's cool. I like the colors. Side handle. I'll probably use those as an anchor point so this thing doesn't fly around in my truck. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's got a little catch so that won't get ripped off. So basically, when I'm looking at my truck, this will be at eye level. And I'll just reach in the truck. Boom. This section here is the freezer section. Those are just all the cords and stuff. This here is the refrigerator section for like soda cans and what have you. You know, it's pretty deep. And then that is the freezer. And this will get to -4 degrees. So anyway, that's that. I like it. I'm stoked. This plugs into cigarette lighter, which means I'll cut this off, put it on a switch that goes to my battery bank in the truck so that I can turn this off at night. That'll save a lot of electricity since this is all going to be running off solar. And this, more than likely, is just the DC converter. So, you know, when you're using house power, like right now, I'm going to test it. I can just plug this in to the wall, and that's that.